it's SheRea, what's up? Back with another video. As you can see from the title, today we will be reviewing the new Curly Proverbz Amla Collection. I am no stranger to the Curly Proverbz hair collection. I actually reviewed their Henna and Aloe Masque a year ago at this point, and I loved it. I raved about it. Still feel that way about it. It's awesome. My favorite YouTuber and Ayurvedic heroine, Curly Proverbz, released her new Amla collection, and I am so excited to bring it to you. I am pretty sure I'm one of the first videos on it because this video is sponsored by Curly Proverbz. I love when I rave about a brand or a product and the company circles back and wants to sponsor my channel. That means so much to me. I have put on a lot of brands that are now in Target, Sally's, Walmart, any major retailer, and they have never had a budget to sponsor your girl. But Curly Proverbz, after a year, 1 year in business, is already giving back to people who put her on and shared her just because we wanted to put a black woman on, and I have so much respect for that. I already respect Rita as my peer, as my colleague, but as a businesswoman, she is doing what needs to be done. She understood the assignment, and I love that for me, and I love that for us. But enough long talking, let's get into the collection. This Amla collection is comprised of 2 different powders. We have a pure Amla that just contains Amla powder, and we have an Amla blend. I was torn about which one to use today, but I think I'm going to go with the Pure Baby just because I've used another one of her herbal blends in the past, the Henna and Aloe Masque. So we're gonna keep it pure. Let's talk about the herbal blend just for a second. If those of you are interested in it, the first ingredient is aloe vera powder, which works great for all hair types. I mean, these powders, all her products work for all hair types. So it contains aloe vera powder, slippery elm powder, amla powder, fenugreek powder, fenugreek powder, Bhringraj, and moringa powder, which are many of my favorite herbs. I've talked about every single herb on my channel before. So enough long talking, let's get into mixing. I do have long hair, so I am going to use quite a bit, and I'm heavy-handed, so don't be alarmed if you have as much hair as I do. And that's what she looking like. Ooh, nice and pure. It's finely milled. It's looking real good. And it smells like gooseberry. It smells so good, so pure, so good. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need all this. Who am I kidding? I need her. It's like magic. Boom, 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 boom. That's what she is looking like. She looks so good. I know this is just going to apply so well. I hope this is enough. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed, but we're gonna see. Let's not do too much. Right here, I have 2.5 cups of Nepal cactus juice. I do have a dedicated video on Nepal cactus. You can check it out right here. I love this stuff. It's so good on the hair. So I'm just going to, pour it in little by little just to get a nice smooth mix. And you want to take your time. You don't want to get it too watery or too loose, so just take your time. Get her all in there. Amla powder was actually the very first Ayurvedic ingredient that I ever used on my natural hair many years ago. I picked it up in an Indian grocery shop when I was studying abroad in London, and the rest has been history. I advise anyone who is new to Ayurveda to start off with Amla because it's just the safest and easiest Ayurvedic powder to use. It conditions and softens the hair while also adding strength at the same time. It also helps to thicken the hair as well. There's actually been studies, scientific studies, that shows that Amla, when applied topically, can thicken the hair and promote hair growth. So when we say Amla is actually a powerhouse, we mean it. It adds shine, it adds luster to the hair. You can use Amla in a number of ways. You can use it like I am today as just a full-on mask. You're going to get the most benefits if you do it this way, but you can also do it as a gloss, which is actually a lot more cost effective. It's not as, you know, it's not a heavy hitter like a pure mask is, but it will stretch the dollar, and in this economy is definitely necessary. All you have to do is just put a few teaspoons of any Ayurvedic herb, in this case Amla, into your favorite conditioner. You can do it in an oil. Y'all know I'm no stranger to hair oils. I love mixing Amla with other Ayurvedic herbs and creating a very potent hair growth oil, but you can also use it on its own. You can use it in a tea. I personally like using it in my rice water spritz. I like combining rice water and different Ayurvedic herbs to get the benefits of rice water and the herbs at the same time. But you can do just a regular tea with Amla. You can mix with other herbs or just by itself, it's up to you. Now let's go in with some oil. I'm using my own DIY hair growth oil. I do have a video on it, you can check it out. Or you can use any oil, olive, avocado, castor, whatever you want. The sky is the limit. I'm also going to add some honey. Honey is my favorite thing to add into Ayurvedic mask. It just gives it that nice shot of moisture. It's a humectant, so it draws moisture from the atmosphere into our hair. And when, you know, you apply your heat or you let it sit overnight or use your steamer, it just gets all the moisture into the hair, and that's what we need, especially for dry hair types like type 4 hair. Lastly, we're going to go in with an oil which I've been using quite a lot recently, and it is clove oil. Clove oil is great for promoting hair growth. It also aids in thickening hair as well. And the goal for this mask is to get that hair growth and thickness popping. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That is more than enough. Then we're gonna mix that all together. Now this is super optional, but this is a non-negotiable for me. I've just been obsessed with doing this. I'm going to use my immersion blender and get the mix as smooth as possible. It will naturally, you know, get smoother as you let it sit, but ain't nobody got time for that. It's literally later in the day already, and I want to get this wash day started. I will link one down below, and yeah, let's get it done. At this point, it is time to apply this baby. I'm just going to let it sit while I wash my hair. As long as that takes, that's how long it's going to sit. But I do recommend letting it sit for at least 30 minutes just to release, in my mind, some magic. This is what my hair is looking like before I apply the deep conditioner. Honestly, she is giving moisture, she's giving health, she's giving wealth. Ooh. This is what she's looking like. Nice consistency. I find that Amla doesn't apply to the hair feeling softening, especially if you're like me and you're applying it to damp or dry hair. It's going to feel stiff in the beginning, but trust the process, especially if you're doing a full Amla mask. Well, the curls are curling. Alright y'all, I am done applying the Amla treatment. The curls are giving. The definition is sick. Now I'm just going to allow this to sit under a plastic cap overnight, It is my preference to let treatments like this sit on my hair overnight or to go under a hooded dryer or a steamer. Because it's very late in the night, I'm just gonna let it sit overnight and then we will rinse it out together in the morning. See you in a sec. It's the next day and I'm rinsing out the Amla mask. I must say that this is rinsing out like a dream. Unlike other Ayurvedic masks, it isn't leaving behind any grit or residue. It's only taking a minute or two to rinse out. Unbelievable. My hair feels conditioned and strengthened at the same time, which is what I need for my fine, weak hair. My curls are popping and happy. Farida, aka Curly Proverbz, you did it again, sis. You did it again. Thank you for continuing to support my channel. I love you so much. I encourage y'all to go out and support our girl because she is doing the damn thing and offers us quality in everything that she does. This is a must try. Take my word for it. Thanks so much for watching and I hope this video was helpful as always. All my love.